Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add another age group in your Google Ads. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Audiences tab. Now in your Google Ads account, go to the Campaigns tab. Then select the campaign you want to modify. In the left hand menu, click on Audiences. Then find the Demographics section. When you find the Demographics section, next you have to click Add Age under the Demographics section. Then select the desired age range from the drop-down menu. We have options like 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, 65 for older, and we have unknown. Once you've chosen or selected the desired age range, the next thing you need to do is to adjust the settings. Now this is optional. You can adjust your bids for this specific age group. For example, if you want to bid more for users aged 18 to 24, you can increase their bid adjustments. Then if you want to exclude a specific age group, you can add them as a negative target. Once you're through, click Save to apply your changes. Now, please note that Google Ads provides a limited number of age ranges. And also, Google Ads adheres to data privacy regulations, so age targeting is subject to these regulations. Don't forget to monitor your campaign performance and adjust your age targeting as needed based on your results. By following these steps, you can effectively add another age group to your Google Ads campaign targeting and reach your desired audience more precisely. Please note that this information I provided is for general guidance only. The exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Google Ads account settings and the current version of the Google Ads interface you're using. So always refer to the official Google Ads Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. That's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.